Hello. In class 9th, we have a chapter named gravitation. So today, let us see the basics of gravitation. Okay. Then what is this gravitation or gravitational force? So gravity, gravitational force, gravitation, all these are similar only. Okay. Everyone knows about the story of that apple and Isaac Newton. What was that story? Isaac Newton was sitting under a tree thinking about something, and suddenly an apple fell down on his head. Then he thought, why this apple has fell down directly in downwards only, why it didn't fly away upwards or in some other direction. It is a story only. Then he has think about this problem, and at last he found that it is due to some attractive force, that is why this apple has come down. Okay, and the force responsible for that particular thing or example is gravitational force. Okay, so what is this gravitational force? Gravitational force is a force that exists between any two objects that has mass. Okay, so gravitational force will exist on objects that has mass. It is a universal force. It is a universal force. We can experience this force everywhere in the universe. And suppose F is the force of gravitation, then by doing experiments, Newton has concluded something about this force. Let us see what are these. So let us take two objects, any two objects that have mass, small letter m and capital M. So these are any two objects and let their mass be m and m. Then if they are separated by a distance r, then Newton found that this force of attraction, this will be an attractive force. Okay, so this force of attraction is directly proportional to product of the masses. Product means a multiplication, is it? Product of masses means m into m, and this force is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Inversely proportional means we have to write it as a reciprocal, is it? So force is directly proportional to the square, inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, or directly proportional to 1 by r square. In both way we can say it. Okay. So what happens? F directly proportional to product of masses means if m increases, F also will increase. If this m increases, again the force will increase. That means they are directly proportional. If one quantity increases, the other quantity also increases. What does it mean by inversely proportional? When r or r square increases, F will decrease. And when r or r square decreases, F will increase. Inversely proportional means. Now let us combine these two. How we can write? F is proportional to m divided by r square. And we will replace this proportionality sign by an equation. How? By introducing a constant. And that constant is written as capital G and gmm by r square. So F is equal to gmm by r square, where G is the universal gravitational constant. G is called as universal gravitational constant. Okay. Then what will be the unit of G? We have F is equal to gmm by r square. From this, let us find out the unit of G. So how we can write G? G is equal to F into r square divided by m into m. Is it? Then what is the unit of force? Newton. Length, radius, distance r means it is a length. So meter. It is a square. So meter square divided by kilogram and kilogram. So kilogram square. So Newton meter square per kilogram square. What is the unit of G? Newton meter square per kilogram square. And what is its value, numerical value? G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. So this is a constant and you have to by heart this value.